In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily scan a document on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, there are two different ways how we can scan a document. The first way is to scan a document as an image, as a photo. If you would like to scan anything that looks like a document, like a playing card or anything that has a text, there is one way to do that. And if you want to recognize a text and save it as a text or send that text to someone, you need to use another way. And in this video, I'm gonna show you both of these ways. So guys, if you would like to scan a document and save it as an image or PDF file, I recommend you to use Notes app. That is official Apple application. If you haven't got this app installed on your device, go to the App Store and then search for Notes. After that, open up the app. Now I'm gonna create new note. The key here is to enter a name for that note first before scanning a document. We can enter here anything we want. Once it is done, on the next step, tap right here at these three dots, and then we need to select scan. Basically, guys, I don't have some text document. I got just that medicine box. However, it doesn't matter. We can scan everything, anything that looks like a document. And now I'm gonna show you how it works. All we have to do is just tap at scan and then just point your camera, and it will automatically make a picture of a document. Also, we can take a picture of that playing card, and then we can continue taking pictures of any documents. We can in this way scan a document with multiple pages, and they will be saved one by one. And once it is done, we need to tap right here where it says save, and that will automatically save this document to the Notes app. After that, we can tap right here, and then we can tap at quick look to watch that document. As you can see, both of my documents have been saved here. Then, if we tap at done, we'll be able to save this document anywhere, or we can share it with someone. So first off, we need to tap at share, and then we can use these tools to send the document somewhere via any messenger or at some social media platform. However, we can just save it to files as PDF file. I'm gonna save it on my iPhone, so in here I can enter a name for that PDF file, and then if we tap at save, it will save that document to the files. Here it is. That's how it looks like. However, if you would like to scan and then recognize the text and save it as a text, I recommend you to use iPhone camera app. On a camera app, all we have to do is just first off switch to photo mode to take a photo, and then just point your camera at some object, at some text. It will recognize a text even before taking a picture, and then all we have to do is just tap at that button to get all this text. Just like that. After that, we can tap at copy, And then we can save this text anywhere. We can immediately send it via some messenger. However, we can just open up notes, we can create new note, and in this way we can save this text as a text. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.